So we want to go back to how rephrasing using the words and or can really help in a probability situation. Got 8 pizzas, 5 cheese, 3 pepperoni. You're going to randomly select 2 different ones and give them to a group of kids who are busy studying. Now, we want to find the probability that we end up with 1 cheese and 1 pepperoni. So we might think, oh, that's easy. It's the probability of getting a cheese and getting a pepperoni. So cheese would be 5 out of 8. And it's got to be different. So this would be 3 out of 7, and that would be our probability. But not so fast. There's actually 2 ways that you can end up with 1 of each. You could do it this way, getting the cheese first and then the pepperoni, or you could get the pepperoni first and then the cheese. And so not only do we have this way of it occurring, or we could also do 3/8 times 5/7. So be on the lookout for that. Rephrasing using and or can really help. If we're still not sold that that's the right solution, think about this. Make a tree diagram. You could get cheese or pepperoni on the first one, and you could get cheese or pepperoni on the second one. Now, keep in mind then, here's what happens. How many ways can we end up with 1 of each? Well, we could get cheese first and then pepperoni. That's this guy. Or we could get pepperoni first and then cheese. So these are the 2 ways to get that. And again, why would or naturally mean that we add the probabilities? Well, consider this. If you add these probabilities up from out here, they all have to equal 1. So if the problem said, hey, what's probably you get both cheese, both pepperonis, or 1 of each, well, then that would cover all 4 of these scenarios. And we must add the probabilities together because they would all add up to 1, accounting for 100% of everything we did. So be on the lookout for rephrasing using and or.